Hello guys! I am so excited and putting a call to my friends to take action right away and key into the new Tron Pool Start Promotion Get Paid System tool. I made $135 in just one day since I started using the new Tron Pool email promotion tool on my dashboard. You will find it in your Tron Pool dashboard, guys, just below the video guide section. I have received lots of massive viral payments coming into my Tron address. I received payments much faster than before since I started using this powerful tool. Okay guys, here's how to use this powerful tool in your Tron Pool dashboard. Using this powerful tool will enable you to make up to $10,000 in 30 days. After activating your dashboard for the month by sending 4 TRX each into the 5 Tron addresses provided on your dashboard, making your total spend 20 TRX total. Then you click on the paid button. Then you will now scroll down and click the Start Promotion Get Paid button here, like this. That will take you to the email promotional page where you will have to copy ready-made email posts and access ready-made email address lists of over 1,000 plus subscribers. From here, go to your mailbox and send the ready-made post to 50 email addresses that you copied from the page, like this. After you press copy icon here, then go to your mailbox. Click on this compose pencil icon here. Now, paste the email post that you copied inside here. Next, highlight the email subject and cut it out, just like this. Next, paste the subject here inside the subject box. Now, remove this text from here. Alright, so format your email body like this by spacing the following paragraphs, so it looks very neat and presentable to the recipients. After you are done with the formatting, your mail should look like this and ready. Click on Close icon by the top left here and press the Save button here to save the mail to draft so we can go and copy our first 50 email lists on Tron Pool. Click here to open the promotion tool page, then scroll down to the bottom of the page. Now, click on this button to access 1,000 plus email list of crypto subscribers. You can send ready-to-copy emails with your Tron Pool referral link and referral code automatically in the mail you copy, and send to 50 email lists you copy from here at every 1-hour interval. Select a browser to open email lists page. Alright, to copy your first 50 email lists, you need to hard press on the first email list, then draw down the arrow icon to highlight 50 lists like this. Then tap on Copy to copy the email list to your clipboard like this. After the 50 emails are copied to your clipboard, now your next step is to go back to your Gmail. In your Gmail, click on this 3 lines here to open your draft where we saved the mail in previous steps. Select Draft. Then tap here to open Next Draft page. Tap here to open your saved mail. Now, Pay very close attention to this next step. Make sure you select and tap on BCC like this. Paste the 50 email lists that you copied to your clipboard here, like this. Now tap inside here and delete the number opposite each email, and add a comma at the end of each email to populate them into the BCC section like this. So press here to delete the numbering before each email, and press here to add a comma after each email. This will automatically populate each and all 50 email address inside the BCC section like this. Okay, so when you are done populating all 50 email addresses, it's gonna look like this and ready to send your mail. Enter your own email address here in this first box. And press the send button here to send the mail to 50 subscribers in just one click. It takes you just less than 7 minutes to send an email to one batch of 50 email lists using the Gmail BCC bulk sending tool. Make sure you rinse and repeat this every 1 hour. Send a post you copy here to 50 email lists you copy here after every 1 hour. Using the Done For You posts and easy to copy email lists provided on the Tron Pool promotional tool page. Since I started doing this consistently after my 20 Trons activation, I've been receiving faster direct Tron payments straight into my wallet. Consistency really makes the difference. Start now and level up your Tron Pool income. Kindly pass this hot update to your Tron Pool downlines and team. Do not joke with this Tron Pool promotional tool. It's groundbreaking. Thank you for watching this tutorial and see you at the top of the income chain.